Kebelai Univiro session part. Teh kan iku video mtan betip sepang kuwar like kam hikai. Tiki don ruteli ki post jong ki assistant lecturer ki balait ki bere jong ki RMSA hapo rong kugere RMSA Higher Secondary School West Karuhil on contractual basis for a period of 1 year. Jadi kan mau ba ki ini ki post jong ki RMSA ki debate ki contractual 1 year tekin se extend fee. Kuman kapor kin se extend by after 1 year kin extend fee. Monthly salary to be determined subject to availability of funds received from the Ministry of MOE. Teki RMSA jong ki secondary ki katulop kade arp khandai hajar tenam ta ki assistant lecturer khangnei khlem ong e te la bandei shaka laipo hajar shaneng mo khlem mention ya ka tulop cha hadu life news name teki wala hikai lupa kan po shadu ka sa post name kila ban apply. Yang ni benda ki post kibla ikde jong assistant lecturer in English number of vacant posts 1. Teki di benda batch MA with BEd, MA English with BEd. Assistant lecturer in MIL also MA and MIL Garu with BEd. In history also same, in political science, in economics and in education. Kini ndru teli ki post. Kalau video benda ya ka BEd pada manyo ban apply. Candidate with certified diploma in computer or knowledge on usage of ICT in the teaching learning process, active involvement in sports, co-curricular activities, art and craft, culture extra. Beside above prescribed qualification will be an added advantage. Kinyo kamyo advantage kita pada kita adon ni kini computer, ki sports involvement, curricular activities. The last date is on 30 September 2022. The last date kan dari live 3 September, tapi laban pa ya ki application jong fi shaka office jong gane ka RMSA man apply ya gane kai ki post ki balan. Photocopies of relevant documents, 2 copies of passport size certificate testimonial with self attested for record screening and original document for verification should be produced during the interview. Note EDW page. Tapi haban submit ya ki documents baru apok office anda ada orang tap deh hapor ban interview deh kan sa kontak ya fi through phone number tapi habra iki original document nam tagi iki baik budan kam hapor ba inle ya ka interview etang kine bede ki jeng pentip publish one.